Listen how loud this thing is. What is going on here? I mean, it sounds like somebody's jackhammering through the counter. I just opened this thing. You know what it sounds like. Yeah, something ain't right. It's like, I don't know. It's so loud. I've never heard a coffee pot sound like that. Cuisinart, what have y'all done here? Full design, terrible motor on this thing. Could you imagine doing this at 5 in the morning? You're going to work, wake the whole house up. It's not even just
Okay, I absolutely love my new coffee pot. There are so many functions. First, let's start with, you can do K-cups or you can do Nespresso. Don't mind a little dirty. You can also do a full pot in this section. So your grounds, and then your water goes in here, and the guide is here. So you have separate water for your pot, then for your K-cups, which the water is back here.